How to join Blox Fruits Discord server. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Discord on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon you see there, that is the add a server button, and then go ahead and tap on the join a server option you see there. Further, in the invite link text box, go ahead and type in Blox Fruits and then tap on the join server option you see there. And with this, tap on the please follow the server rules option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, on the left side, scroll through and you will see the option for verification. Tap on that and then tap on the submit option for the terms and condition you see there. So in order to get the terms and condition, firstly tap on the complete button on the bottom right and then go ahead and scroll through to the terms and conditions and tap on the checkbox you see there. Finally, tap on the submit button in order to submit the terms and conditions agreement. Now, once you have agreed to the terms and condition, in the text box at the bottom, simply type in /verify and then send the message. Once you have sent this particular message, you will see the option to verify with Blox. So simply tap on the verify with Blox link option you see there and then tap on the visit site option. You will then be required to sign in with your Discord account again. So tap on the sign in option you see there and then tap on the keep scrolling option and keep scrolling and finally tap on the authorize button. Further, in the interface that you will then be led to, tap on the verify now option and then go ahead and tap on the next button you see there. You will then be required to choose your Roblox account. So go ahead and choose your Roblox account, and once you have chosen your Roblox account, simply go ahead and tap on the select server option and then go ahead and make sure to choose the Blox Fruits option along with any other option you want. Finally, tap on the confirm button you see there, and with this, as you can see, it has now been connected. So you can go ahead and tap on the return to dashboard option, and with this, you can then go ahead and return to Discord too, and you have been successfully joined to Blox Fruits Discord server. So this was about how you can join Blox Fruits Discord server. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.